how to create this kind of career videos you just saw for free. Join me, let's go now. All right, now before you start, ensure that you have the prompt you want to use and the picture you want to use for this. Once those are ready, come to your browser and type Halio AI and search for it. Now click on this first option, click on it, allow it to load. Now when it gets here, just be patient a bit. If you try to sign in now, nothing works until this white background, this first part goes off, okay? Once it goes off, we can sign in, okay? Or you can sign up, okay? We have signed in. Now I had 100 coin before, 100, yeah, 100 coin. Now it is remaining 70, okay? And I think per creation is 30 coin. So having come here, the next thing to do is to click on the plus sign below. And now you can see I2V. I can as well see T2V, S2V. Always ensure that it's in I2V, okay? If it's in T2V, let me put it there so you see. We cannot find that area where to put our picture. If it's in S2V, let's put it there. You see what it's telling us? So we have to leave it at I2V, okay? Now we head over to bring our picture. I click here. All right, it has loaded, so scroll. I can use, let me check. I have a number of pictures here. Let's use this one. Or let's use this. I've used it before, but let me still use it again. But I'll change the prompt, okay? Okay, it has finished loading. Now you can paste the prompt here. Yeah, you can copy, you can screenshot the prompt I'm using, copy it and use it, okay? Now, once you are done, click here where it says 30 coin, click on it. Click on it again if it has not started loading. Okay. Okay. It's saying it's sufficient coin. I think I clicked it more than more than I'm supposed, because up here I have 10 coin left. Why did I make that mistake? Okay, so let's see what happens. All right, it's generating it already. You can see here 2 job in queue. So I click here. So can you see it's already generating that? So let's allow it. That means when you click that coin once, allow it, okay? Just check for job in queue, okay? So it's telling us that it might take up to 5 minutes. So let's allow it. Remember, it's 2. We clicked it 2 times. So each time is 30 coins, okay? You can see this one is loading and this one is still pending, okay? This one has started loading too. I think this one is ready. Okay, so let's click on this one that's finished loading and see what it gives us. You see, that's funny. Okay, so if you like what it created, you can just hit download. If you don't like it, you recreate, and then once you like it, hit download. I click on the download button here, and then I can download this. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, now let me see the other one. I didn't change the prompt, by the way, but let's see what it's like at the end of the day. That's the other one that was still loading while we were trying this. Okay, still loading. Let's see whether it will give us exactly what we had just now. All right, this also is done. So let me click on it. Okay, so you're giving us something different. I think I love this one more. Okay, but I can join the two. Okay, and then make a good video out of it. Of course, you have to find a way to add a sound to it. to bring out the sweetness of this your video. To do that, come to TikTok. We're on TikTok now, so click on the plus sign down below to import the video, to upload the video. Videos. That's the video here. I click on it. Okay. Next. Now you see add sound. Click on it. Okay, let's search for a sound. I hit the search icon for sound. Kungfu sound. Okay. Kungfu. Sorry, I misspelled this. Kungfu. Kungfu. Search. Okay, we're going with the second one that has a lady's face. Okay, we click on where it says good to add it. So you can see that our video is ready. Let me increase it so you enjoy it a bit. So you can go ahead, click on next, and then post your video. Okay, do like, share, and follow for more.